was erected at the sole and joint expense of their surviving children. Within this tomb are deposited the mortal remains of Sarah, wife of Benjamin Wyatt of Lime Grove in this parish, Esquire, formerly of Weeford in the county of Stafford, and brother of the late James Wyatt, Esquire, His Majesty's Surveyor General. She was the daughter of William and Elizabeth Ford of Burton-upon-Trent, and died as she had lived a fond and ever anxious parent, cherishing with Christian piety and humility the hope of a blessed resurrection, April 28, 1815, aged 65 years. Here also lieth entombed the body of the said Benjamin Wyatt, who for upwards of 30 years was chief agent of the Penryn estate in this county, distinguished by an able, faithful, and honourable discharge of his stewardship by the solidity of judgment, strictness of integrity, modesty of deportment, benevolence of heart, and complacency of temper, which entitle a man to esteem and reverence by the humility which marks the true servant of Christ, and by the piety which alone can sustain the hope of everlasting life. He died January 5th, 1818, aged 73 years. Here also lieth the body of Charlotte, second daughter of the said Benjamin and Sarah Wyatt, and wife of James Greenfield, Esquire, of Bryn Derwen in this parish, who died May 2nd, 1815, aged 41 years. Here also lieth the body of James Wyatt, formerly of Lime Grove aforesaid, and of Bryn-Gwynant in the parish of Bedgellat. D.L. and J.P. for this county, sixth son of the before named Benjamin and Sarah Wyatt, born 19th of March 1795, died 16th January 1882. Also of Anne Jane, widow of the above, born 23rd August 1800, died 16th of August 1896. Sacred to the memory of James Greenfield, Esquire, later Bryn Derwen in this parish, died 19th of January 1825, aged 51 years. Here also lieth the body of Mary, fifth daughter of the said Benjamin and Sarah Wyatt, who died February 8th, 1806, aged 20 years. To the memory of Arthur, youngest son of the said Benjamin and Sarah Wyatt, surgeon in the 57th Regiment Bengal Native Infantry, who died at King Kishoregunug, Rungpur, District, Bengal, of a fever, June 22nd, 1824, and buried at Rungpur, aged 28.